Valencia City, Bukidnon is booming as an ecotourism hub, recently launching the Mount Anahon Tourism Center and opening new eco spots. Valencia City, known as City of the Golden Harvest, promoting local culture ahead of the Kaamulan Festival. It's as of March 23, 2026, Valencia City, Bukidnon is actively hosting regional events, preparing for major cultural festivities. The city is currently a primary venue for several sporting events of the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association, or NMREA, which began in early March of 2026. As of 2026 this year, Valencia City, Bukidnon is actively promoting its cultural heritage through the Laga Daw Malaki Ta Bukidnon 2026 pageants with candidates representing the city of the upcoming April 10 Coronation Night at Kaamulan Ground or Kaamulan City, held on Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Recent developments include the achievements of the Mount Anahon Tourism Center and for our eco-tourism at Lake Apo. Valencia City, Bukidnon, famous tourist destination.